Nintendo Switch overheating, causes and prevention. Does your Nintendo Switch feel like it is about to melt? You are in a boss fight, then suddenly the screen goes dark with a temperature warning. It is frustrating, it is scary, and it could damage your console for good. Do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home after watching this video. If you face any difficulty, please comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more verified fixes. The most common cause of overheating is blocked airflow. Your Switch pulls air from the back and pushes it out through the top. Never play on soft surfaces like beds or blankets. These block the air intake completely. Always place your console on a hard and flat surface. Ensure there is at least 4 inches of space around it. Over time, dust builds up inside the vents and blocks the fan. This dust acts like a blanket that traps heat inside your device. Use a can of compressed air to blow out the dust. Hold the can upright and use short bursts. A soft brush can also help loosen stubborn dirt. Make sure the power is off before you start. In docked mode, your Switch runs faster and gets much hotter. Avoid keeping the dock in tight cabinets. The trapped air will heat up the console quickly. Consider using a cooling stand or an external fan. This helps move hot air away while you play. Sometimes software glitches cause the processor to work too hard. Perform a full restart. Hold the power button. Go to Power Options, then select Restart. Check your Wi-Fi settings. Go to Settings, then go to Internet, then go to Internet Settings. Switching to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi can reduce stress on the wireless chip. Listen to your console. Is the fan making a buzzing sound? A loud buzzing means the fan is failing. If you do not hear any sound at all, the fan might be stuck. Give your system a break. Turn the power off completely for 15 minutes after long sessions. Keeping your system cool will make it last for many years. With these steps, your Switch will stay cool. Stay calm and keep gaming.